Hello and welcome to The Works. I'm Ben Shea.
And I'm Ben Peltier. Later, part 2 of this week's show is all about the Czech Republic, as 2024 is an important year for Czech classical music. Klára Jurčová, the Consul General of the Czech Republic in Hong Kong, will be here with pianist Jan Šmejla to tell us why.
But first, the realistic and meticulous technique of traditional Chinese gongbi painting dates back about 2,000 years. But the style that's been with us since the Han Dynasty is still practiced by many, including Hong Kong painter Jackie Tao.
我叫杜海泉啦，今年28歲，係一個工筆畫家啦。工筆畫一般嘅工序就係畫一個嘅鉛筆嘅稿啦，用臨摹嘅方式，用呢個嘅毛筆啦，就將嗰個稿件上面嘅嗰啲線條咧就 copy 翻一次。勾完線之後咧，其實一般就會開始上色。 因為我哋國畫啲顏色上得好薄嘅，上好多次先至可以令到佢可以好平啦。喺呢個過程裏面，其實我哋要上好多次泛水 protect 翻張紙嘅。咁最後一張作品出到嚟，可能喺嗰個紙本上面係經歷咗可能係30至50浸嘅顏色嘅上色嘅過程，咁樣先至叫做完成一張畫。
Jackie Tao has been getting good grades for art subjects ever since he was at secondary school. He went on to earn a bachelor's degree and a master's degree in fine arts at the Chinese University of Hong Kong. That's where he developed his passion for gongbi, a genre of painting to which he's been dedicated for some 8 years. He says he's particularly inspired by murals.
因為我中意畫大畫，可能讀緊書開始咧，我就幫人哋去畫一啲壁畫有關。 你而家見到我繪畫裏面咧比較大嘅作品，喺壁畫嘅嗰個尺寸嚟講，其實都係好細幅嘅。所以其實佢令到我可以習慣控制一個大嘅畫面，更加容易去達到喺大畫面上面一啲嘅畫面上面嘅平衡。咁我發現，因為其實我做嘅畫面，我喺個空間上面去切入啦，好似我係一套戲嘅導演，我揼好咗個舞台，我有個框架，我再放啲演員入去。
Tao's subjects often come from daily life. Last year's exhibition, Market Go Around, a collaboration with ceramic artist Rosanna Lee, sprang from his observations in Namshan Estate.
呢度其中一個最主要嘅地方咧，就係上面係住嘅，下面就係街市。我係一個畫家嘅角度，呢個構圖我覺得好靚。
因為我嘅作品裏邊有好多位咧係寫實，係具象嘅，而具象嘅嘢可能要牽涉好多實景嘅觀察啦。
我揀一個地方嘅時候咧，佢嗰個方式好似我揾緊唔同嘅級數，又拼埋喺一個畫面度。咁呢度咧就提供到一個可以喺少少俯視，即係高過平時嘅呢一個 perspective 咧去觀察呢一個水畫體。
因為我畫大畫咧，好多時候有好多唔同嘅東西喺嗰個畫面裏面，可能有老人甲、老人月，或者可能有個山過咁。咁呢啲東西我就要去真係買嗰嚿嘢翻嚟去做觀察咯。
Currently on show at SC Gallery are 14 of Tao's new works. The exhibition, Have a Nice Day, includes some of his favorite subjects such as horse racing and Hong Kong's urban landscape. He continues to look for ways to present perspectives that resemble reality but are still somehow different.
其實呢個展覽其中一個方向係經典嘅東西如何被經驗。我讀緊研究院嘅時候咧，我已經嘗試喺中國畫 context 裏面做一個我叫做複合空間嘅概念，即係話喺一個畫面裏面去做唔同嘅空間嘅並置。而今次呢個展覽，我嘗試將呢件事再具體啲或者再升華嘅部分，就係呢一個嘅並置嘅手法咧，係有經典同埋當代嘅處境。
Horse racing is one of Tao's favorite subjects. To him, it's not just a competitive sport, but also a constant symbol of Hong Kong society.
馬照跑，舞照跳。80年代我哋嘅鄧小平先生去講嘅呢句説話，指涉緊我哋香港一個既有嘅歌舞升平，或者係好多元嘅娛樂，或者一個社會嘅氛圍咁樣。 以時時刻嘅香港人都會希望憧憬住，或者都希望呢件事可以 keep 到落去嘅咁樣。咁我就喺我嘅作品度有咁嘅探問。我覺得賽馬運動幾有趣嘅地方就係佢唔單止喺運動嘅層面， 同時間其實佢喺精神上面咧都可以為香港人帶嚟好多價值。03年嘅時候咧，其實有隻馬叫《精英大師》，當其時係連勝咗好多場比賽，係一個世界紀錄。正值當其時係沙士，當時咧係可能香港人面對住對嗰個社會氛圍各樣嘢都係最差嘅時候 ，spiritually 咁好嘅一個英雄就係咁樣被打造出嚟，於是咧佢就會被聯繫到去同我哋嘅香港精神啊嗰啲有關。
In Set Sail Again, Tao uses the story of Noah's Ark to illustrate another aspect of Hong Kong.
咁我發現原來呢一個故事好啱用喺呢一個時代嘅 context 裏面。我唔係講緊呢件事本身係好或者唔好，而係移民緊或者係嗰啲向緊新嘅國度行緊嘅嗰啲動物，佢哋個 expectation 都係有個好大嘅憧憬，對未來一定係有好豐富嘅想像。啲雲啊，或者係啲動物啊咁樣，亦都有一啲中國傳統嘅 interpretation 啦，譬如話可能會有仙河，即係聖經嗰個故事裏面係冇呢啲嘢嘅咁樣。因為我希望用我自己嗰個中國話學習嘅經驗去重新去詮釋呢個故事。
Classic Hong Kong cinema is another subject that interests him. He concludes the exhibition by referencing a line of dialogue from Stephen Chow's film Out of the Dark. As long as you have faith, even ghosts can't harm you.
自己最中意佢嘅作品就係《回魂夜》，最直接聯繫到作為藝術家身份嘅我哋呢一班藝術工作者。因為其實佢裏面係講緊創意，講緊好多嘅想像力，而呢啲嘅想像力就係我哋去面對住恐懼。我諗佢裏面講嘅恐懼係講緊人面對未知呢一個領域嘅一啲嘅諗法。作為一個藝術工作者，我哋嘅未知唔單止係恐懼，可能係我哋嘅前路，或者係我哋探索緊藝術本身係啲乜嘢。如果經濟或者各樣嘢許可咧，我希望可以做到一啲再大型啲嘅作品。我形容係等待啊，即係話我依家係等緊有一個 moment， 跟住有啲嘢嚟到去我嘅生活或者我嘅腦海裡面，咁樣 develop 成為一個大型嘅作品咁。